Hello guys, this is Pawan from Ambidotronics. So today in this video tutorial I will let you know about what is basically a dangling pointer in C, and also we will come to know like how through these some of the example code I have taken, like through two example codes I will show you how we can come in the situation of this dangling pointer. So here in this if I'll say this is not example number 1, I would say. So here as you can see, I have declared these stdi.h and stdlib.h. Why this stdlib.h? Because here in the int main I'm using dynamic memory allocation. Malloc is a kind of thing through which you can allocate memory dynamically. Like in runtime your memory will get allocated. So in the later videos I'll explain these things. Malloc and other functions are also there, like alloc, realloc and free. So for the time being, you just understand that malloc is abbreviation for memory allocation, and here basically malloc, and in this we have one argument, and that is size of whatever the number data type we are using, that size of we are taking, and we have to typecast it to that particular variable in which we are taking that pointer. So here anyway we are taking integer pointer, so we have to typecast it to the integer int, and it will return the first byte of it will return the address of first byte of memory, whatever memory it's get allocated. So the first byte of it will be assigned to this PTR, and after that when we will check if memory allocation is successful or not, we will check through we have to always check through this null, because if it is null then it will just come out of this thing. So if it is not null, then it will we will assign asterisk PTR to 10, and then we will free PTR. Here we are freeing the PTR. Now here you can see now PTR is a dangling pointer because it points to freed or deallocated memory. Because free means we always think like whenever we are freeing the memory, it means we have released the memory. Yeah, of course we have released the memory, but remember guys one thing, that PTR is still pointing to that released memory or deallocated memory or freed memory, whatever you can say. So now this PTR will become a dangling pointer. So here through accidentally or any way, if you are going to dereference this PTR, then you will just get some undefined behavior of this code, or some garbage values, or maybe some segmentation fault error or anything could come. So what is the best idea to avoid this situation? You can do one thing, very simple thing. You can just do PTR and assign it to null. So through this now you can say like this PTR is not a dangling pointer. So this way we can avoid this situation. Another example what I have taken here, this is the second example, and here in this case basically what is happening here, basically obviously we have two function. One is int asterisk create int, and there are something we have written, and in this int main I'm just writing int asterisk dangling pointer equals to create int. So now this create int function we are calling, and now we are passing this create int to we are assigning it to the dangling pointer. So now this create int function will be called, and int x equals to 10, and int asterisk PTR one pointer again we are taking, and we are saying like this address of x is to this PTR. We are assigning it to this PTR, and we are returning PTR. Now one thing you have to remember guys, this int x and int PTR both are local to this function. And whenever you remember this thing, whenever these are local to any variable is local to the function, then scope and lifetime of that variable is also limited or within that function only. So it means whenever we will come out of this function, the value or address of this the value basically will be vanished of this variable, or we can say it is automatically deallocating its address through by returning this function. So here again we can say like this pointer is a dangling pointer, because dangling pointer definition is as we can say like it points to some non-allocated memory, sorry, deallocated memory or non-existent memory. So here again we can say like this PTR is pointing to non-existent memory, non-existing memory. So here we will just pass this to this dangling pointer, and now here again we can come to some situation like something like undefined behavior of this code, or maybe some segmentation fault, because we are reading or writing some that memory which are not which is not accessible basically, because that is basically pointing to some non-existent memory. So this way we can say this is the dangling pointer. These are the two examples we can say. So I hope you like this tutorial video. If you have any doubt regarding this, just feel free to comment us below. Thank you guys, thank you very much.